Hello everybody. Today we are going to cook pineapple fried rice, Thai style. We crack an egg. Scramble the eggs so it's nicely mixed. Throw in our garlic. 2 cloves of garlic finely chopped. Just slightly brown the garlic a bit. As it's still sizzling, we'll put in half our chopped onion. It's important the onion should go in earlier because onion does have a pungent smell and pungent taste. So when it's nicely cooked, the onion is actually quite sweet. So you can see the onion is slightly translucent, which means it's getting cooked. It's put in our rice. The rice was previously cooked earlier and let it dry so it doesn't clump together. Okay, as you can see, the rice is actually quite easily spread out, which is a good thing. Pineapple. I like to put in a bit earlier, that way the pineapple, the flavor of pineapple can infuse onto the rice. Half a teaspoon of tom yum paste. It will give the rice a little bit of kick. It is a bit spicy, so just be careful. Don't use too much. It also gives the rice a nice reddish color. Half a tablespoon of fish sauce. Spring onion. Our pineapple fried rice is cooked.